You want to install it towards your dash because when you go to, and I'll show you. Hey, AJ, go to the other side. And when you're going to install your cut and go, you should always buckle up first because you need to know that you're putting it on the right way. Because once I lock this thing, it's going to stay closed. You're not going to be able to, you're not going to open it again. Okay, you see how easy that was? All you do is slide it on like that. And the reason I do that is because, see, this way I have the greatest range of motion onto the side of your seat. And if you got hit in the side, then you can't get at it at all. So the very best optimum place to put it is right here. When you hear that click, it locks on. Now we're good. We're staying there forever. We're not going anywhere. You sell your car, it goes with it. Now, because this is a car, we're not in an accident, my belt didn't jam and tighten up on me. It's loose, of course. I need to hold this for you. So maybe I'm in a situation where my windows are locked in, but I need to cut this belt to use it. Because you can't use that pin till you use this. So I'll need to hold my belt in that case. And then I'll do is, but you see how hard that was to break? Well, what happens is you'll see that this thing is very floppy like this. People ask me, oh, can you just break this thing real easy? No, because that's going to hold it in place. And then all you do is you lift this up. Boom. See how fast that was? Just that quick. Now you see how the top belt just retracted naturally. Then the bottom, a lot of people ask me, do I need two of them? No. See, the bottom belt here is, if you look right down here, AJ, where the buckle is, you can see how you just pull it through. Boom. Now we're ready to use my window breaker. Now, all my videos that I ever done are just real videos. So then we just go, and it's just that easy. And we're out. We're safe. Now we can decide what we're going to do when we need to do it the most in the quickest way possible. And you know, most places they tell you, oh, you got to hit it in the corners. You see where I hit it? Dead center. With a cut and go, it don't really matter. And see, no cuts. No damage, because it is propelling the glass out there, and then the rest of the loose glass is just falling down. And then I just push it out of my way to get out. That's the beauty of tempered glass. This is why you need to cut and go.